Hi friends. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that today I received a package from Diva Decoded's page, Makeup Magic India, and as I said, I'm not doing unboxing of it because there were some products in it which I needed, I wanted to use, and so I kind of opened it as usual and used it. So if you like to know what are the things that are there in this combo, which it's not a subscription box, first let me clear the air on that. It's not a subscription box, it's a combo offer. She is a reseller, and she stocks brands like ADS, In Color, as well as copies of brands like Too Faced and other beauty brands. So this pack is priced around 7.99. Again, you know me, I tend to mix this numbers. Do check the description box for the details. Her Instagram page and her or like this sell page, or like not sell page, what do you call it, shop page, all will be listed below in the description. To check it out for accurate information regarding the package. So if you're interested to know what are the items that I got today, and since I've used some of it, how they are, keep on watching. So let's start first with this nail polish that I'm wearing. As you can understand why I was so eager to open it, because I was wearing this, my son was wearing an orange kurta, I was wearing this orange shari. By the way, I'm shooting 3 videos today which I'll be uploading in a gap of 2 or 3 days, because I don't want to overwhelm you with my voice and my inane talkings. Anyway, so obviously I had to put it on because it matches, and this is just one coat. So let me this is the juice nail polish and this is just one coat, and it's like mattifies within seconds. It doesn't dry completely, because you can see there was little mishaps. Focus, yeah, but you can see in one coat it gives you a decent finish, and it's like dries pretty fast actually. Mattifies within second and dries pretty fast. So this is the first thing I liked. Second thing that I was very interested in trying out was the In Color lipstick. I already have 2 or 3 In Color, and before they used to look like Sleek. Now they have copied Dose of Colors. Dose of Colors, as you can just totally, the box is totally like the Dose of Color lipsticks. And this is the shade. This is shade 19. No, I'll not say I'm very happy with the shade. It looks a bit pinkish. I thought it was going to be orange, like burnt orange. I didn't have an orange shade, so I was very happy using it. And this is like one coat, and you can see there's no streakiness, no like flaking or something like that, and it goes on smooth. Obviously you have to prep your lips before, and like any liquid, for any liquid lipstick, and dries down not within minutes, but with 2 minutes it dries down. And say no budging, no. Let me do the kiss test. See, no transfer. Anyway, so this is how the shade looks. And swatches it's like good, but on my lips it's, I don't know, I'm finding it a bit bright. So if you see my photos today, I don't know, you'll see that it was not, I was wearing it, but what I did is I kind of toned it down in this nude lipstick. See, see that brightness, the color still looks good. I got compliments from a total stranger, like not strange, like she's like the mother of another child who goes with the same music school as my son, and she complimented me saying my makeup was on point today, and I was like, thank you. Anyway, I'm digressing. So as you can see, this is the Jackie Brown lipstick from Sugar. If you have something like nude like this, I think it can kind of, you know, tone down the brightness of it. Otherwise, if you are fairer than me, like if you, I think, see the the skin tone of this Instagrammer Amrit Kaur Amy, if I'll link her video down, she also got this bundle. So if you see her video, she is much fairer than me, and I think she got the same color. I have to check, and like it will look great on something like her shade of Coralista. Like it will look fantastic on somebody who in the same skin tone as Coralista. It will make their face really bright. Like if they wear this lipstick, they don't need to wear anything else. The face will look so beautifully made up. Another thing, this actually I haven't opened. This is the only thing I haven't opened. It came like back like this, and these are glitters. This is my first glitters. I've been eyeing to buy glitters for long, but I haven't because my husband has an aversion for anything glittery and shiny, but he is not with me always, is he? So for times when I'm dressing up just for myself, I will love to experiment with these glitters. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 glitters, and she hasn't given the individual pricing of them, but I think you can check her website. I think you'll get the individual prices for the items. So the beautiful thing about these boxes are that like they have a cover, so the more it's like not like those boxes like you open and it's glitter everywhere. It won't happen with this. Still, me being me, let me be very careful about opening it. Wow, let's see how beautiful it is. Like I've seen the okay, when I open my specs, if I fumble around, don't get alarmed because I am blind without my specs, and I like to try them on my, I know it's supposed to wet it a bit or something like that, but I am not doing anything of that sort. So and it's flying as it should. So you tell me how it looks, because I can't see myself unless I wear the glasses. Ooh, it is looking good. Like if my I used a bit of wet brush to pack the colors as they say, I think it will look good. I'll try it out. What do you think? Should I try it out in a next makeup I make? The fallout is not that much, isn't it? Yep. This is going to be one wacky video, I'm telling you. Then there is this Miss Claire Chubby Sticks. I have only one Miss Claire with me till now, so this is my second Miss Claire product. Okay, let's open it. This is the only product I haven't opened that I got from her. Okay. Sometimes they just don't want to open. Oh yes. So this is how it is. This is how the color looks. It's very creamy, a light magenta-ish pink color. I think it will look great on my lips. I'm loving this color much more than the in color one. So that's another of the product that came in this month's, not this month's, this Magic Diva combo. Also a earring. Ooh, I also don't have this style of a earring. This is a coin earring. You don't have any choice of what products, like she will be sending you these products only, including the earring and everything, if they are in stock. The colors, I think she kind of sends at random. There's like, she didn't ask for any choice or anything like that. These are very beautiful, very, very beautiful. The finish is good. It's not very, light, neither it's very heavy. So just perfect. Now for the big kahuna, as they say. This is this ADS, the balm, which is of course a copy of the Balm's contour palette. Even the girls are the same. And ADS, this is my first ADS product. The name of this are be written behind. It's Cobbler Crisp Caramel Cider Pie and Candy. Okay, so me being me, I have already torn the outer cover, this beautiful outer cover, but this one is same, so not much of a loss. One mishap that has happened is that this mirror came broken. This is not that much of a big deal, but since this was there and nothing has kind of fallen on this, and this is actually very safe and totally okay. So I used this shade all over my face today with a big fluffy brush, and I was a bit of a hurry. I had just moisturized my skin and used this as a just as a powder, and the end was like, it looked good. Like, don't judge me by how it's looking now. It has been I put on by 4, so it's like 5 hours. I didn't do any base or anything, so I don't expect it to last so long. Anyway, so it's very creamy. It's not like powdery that you dip your brush and you have powders everywhere. It's not like that. It's very creamy. It's light smell. This is how it looks. It will suit anybody with a medium tone like me. This, I think, is the banana powder, for setting your highlighting your under eye. I have not used it. So this is how it looks. Okay. I think it is for the under eye. These 4 shades are for contouring, depending on how your skin tone is. I used this one on my cheekbones today. Okay. So I think I should have gone a bit darker. This goes exactly as my skin color. I think you can also use it as an eyeshadow. So this is how it looks. Let's swatch the darker ones. They are really good. They're like really creamy, not powdery. See? And then there is this one. These are the 3 shades, and last is this one. So I think this will do well as a contour shade for me, and this I think goes as good as a bronzer. I'm not that much of a makeup expert, frankly, but whatever use I can find of them, of this I'm making it, because I don't have a contour set. This is my first contour set. I had one from Kiss Beauty. It's a cream based one, but I think this one's quality is better than the Kiss Beauty one. So that's all I got in my magic makeup combo. If you like to avail the same, you can check out the link below and order your box. Or budding makeup artist, and you like or you don't have enough to buy the balm, of course, and still want quality products in affordable price, then go for this pack. It gives you a basic makeup starter kit. Like, this is the basic makeup starter kit for anyone. The earring is very good. Those glitter eyeshadows are bomb. They will like brighten up even the simplest of look. The lipstick, as I said, I won't say I'm really unhappy, neither I'm too happy. You have to work it out a bit if you get this shade, and if you are of my shade, then only the issue will be there, otherwise the issue won't be there. And the nail polish is total worth it. So if I can find the individual prices, I'll be listing it in the description. That's all for now. See you soon. Bye.